Hello dancers, today I'm going to be teaching you an O-level ballet choreography part 2. We're going to learn 3 basic ballet steps. We are going to combine them in one short choreography, and then at the end of this video, we're going to be able to do it with music. So say that, let's get to it. Our first basic ballet step to learn today is going to be pas de bourrée, coupé, coupé. So, hands on the waist, no arm coordination yet. We are going to do demi-plie. Left leg goes to coupé forward, open to second. Left leg coupé in front, demi-plie, tombe to the back. Any change begin now, right leg in front. Right leg, second. Left leg, tombe to the back. And normally it's going to be faster, so it's going to be accent, accent, plie, and goes up, up, dynamic of good plie. Now, arms coordination. We are going to be in a second position, arms, demi-plie, same arm, same leg, close, close, plie. And again, close, close, plie. Our next 2 skills are connected because one is going to be passé continue in relevé and the second one is going to do a simple pirouette. Therefore, by doing a simple passé relevé, we are preparing already our simple pirouette. So we are going to begin our second skill, 5th position, left leg in front, second position, arms, and we are going to do passé and change to the back, and right, change to the back, and left, change to the back, relevé, demi-plie. And we're going to repeat everything on the done. Passé, that change forward, passé, that change forward, third passé, demi-plie, relevé, plie. Quick tips when doing passé, really elongated. Use your inner thighs to bring your passé up and keep going all the way up and over your toes. Our last skill, simple pirouette from 4th position. So we are in 5th, right leg tendu to the back, demi-plie in 4th position, relevé to breathe, find out where to transfer your body weight, demi-plie. We are going to use arms coordination and spotting to get as many pirouettes as we want. Open right arm, close left arm. We are going to spot to our right corner. Pirouette. Okay, so now we are ready to join all of these steps together in one short choreography, and then at the end of the video we are going to do it with music. So remember, we finished part 1 in a classical pose. Therefore, from here we're going to do 4th position, plie, open tendu forward, port de bras with demi-plie, stretch, demi-plie in 4th position, allonge, and we are going to do port de bras to the back, stretch, demi-plie, pas de bourrée, and 1, 2, 3, and second, 1, 2, plie, 5, 6, 7, plie, passé continue, 1, plie, 2, plie, 3, plie, relevé, change to the back, passé, plie, passé, plie, passé, plie, relevé, plie, and 1, tendu, plie, up, 5, plie, and spotting, pirouette. Okay dancers, so now I'm going to show you part 2 with music, and if you want to see all together part 1 and 2, go to my Instagram that I'm going to share with you there part 1 and 2 with music. dancers, so for more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video, where I'm going to leave tons of videos and links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So go ahead, click the next video and let me know how it goes.